it's really funny. If you do a YouTube search for freelance grant writing, you're going to notice something. There are very few channels talking about grant writer income, how to build a grant writing business, how to get nonprofit clients, or how to scale consulting. But nonprofits are constantly searching for funding, and more professionals from teachers all the way to staff and to researchers are realizing that grant writing can become a freelance career. I'm often calling this the age of the freelancer. There's a career where you can generate $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 and more per month. And it's flexible. You can work from home, and nonprofits desperately need people with this skill, but almost nobody is talking about it. And it's called freelance grant writing. Now, if you've ever wondered, can you actually make money writing grants? And is it possible to do this as a freelancer? Or is grant writing just another underpaid nonprofit job? Then keep watching, because today I'm going to talk about why freelance grant writing is one of the most stable and scalable careers right now. Today. Hi, I'm Holly Rustick, the founder of the Freelance Grant Writer Academy, where I help aspiring and seasoned grant writers replace their full-time income on flexible hours writing grants from home. And over the years, I've helped hundreds of grant writers build businesses, with many replacing their full-time income and even scaling up even more with working fewer hours. But here's the thing. Most people only see grant writing in one way. They think it's a staff position inside a nonprofit. And if you've ever worked inside a nonprofit, you probably know the reality. Grant writers are often overworked. They are underpaid. They are responsible for millions of dollars in funding and expected to do it all, wear all the hats. But here's a shift that many people are starting to realize. You don't have to work inside a nonprofit, but you can work with many nonprofits, and you can do that as a freelance grant writer. Because nonprofits don't just need grant writers, they need help with finding the funding. They need help with grant strategy. They need help with funding pipelines, grant management, writing the grants. Yes, but a lot of that is program design. Also federal grant expertise, foundation grant writing, and so much more. And most nonprofits don't have full-time staff to do all of this, right? They might have, write grants and then do a fundraiser and do these other things that are completely maybe not as aligned as doing all the things that you can really get good at within grant writing and grant strategy. So what do these nonprofits do? Well, they hire freelance grant writers and consultants. And this creates something very powerful. Instead of one nonprofit salary, a freelance grant writer can work with multiple organizations at the same time. And this is where income starts to scale. For example, a grant writer might charge $3,000 to $5,000 to write a grant, or they may charge $3,000 to $5,000 per month on retainer, or even more than that, or maybe just consulting fees for strategy. So suddenly you as a freelancer, you're not tied to one paycheck any longer. You're building a portfolio of clients. And we see this happen all the time inside the Freelance Grant Writer Academy, where even one of our students came in, no experience at all. We actually have quite a few students that come in with no grant writing experience at all, and many with zero freelance experience. Within months, we had one student come in from a very corporate background. Within months, she had learned how to write grants and she had secured her very first client. Before the end of the 12 months in the program, she had already replaced her full-time salary and had a full-time business with just about 3 to 4 clients, which was amazing for her. We see this happen over and over and over inside when you actually understand and get the skill of grant writing and get the skill of sales. Inside our grant professional mentorship, all the time we have grant writers who are doubling or tripling their income. They're getting better at creating boundaries and reducing their hours as well because they get systems in place. Billing on monthly retainers, this helps them have more time for their families, more time for other things that they want to do, and they're able to work from home or they're able to travel. We've had people move to Spain, to Germany, and to other places and be able to continue their businesses and grow them by having that flexibility in their schedule. And the beautiful thing about grant writing is that nonprofits will always need funding. They will always need you to help them get that funding. So the demand for grant writers is not going away. It's not going away even when the economy shifts. We even saw in 2025, nonprofits were still hiring grant grant writers and grant strategists. And what's really funny, if you do a YouTube search for freelance grant writing, you're going to notice something. There are very few channels talking about grant writer income, how to build a grant writing business, how to get nonprofit clients, or how to scale consulting. But nonprofits are constantly searching for funding, and more professionals, from teachers all the way to staff and to researchers, are realizing that grant writing can become a freelance career. I'm often calling this the age of the freelancer, which means this niche is still wide open. One of the things I always tell grant writers is this: grant writing isn't just a skill. It is a career asset. It is something you're always going to have in your back pocket no matter what. Once you fully understand funding ecosystems, foundations, grant strategy, and just the formulaic process of grant writing and how to do sales in a very non-brosy and very aspirational way, you can use that knowledge in many ways. You can have your freelance grant writing consultant. You can open up other grant writing services, grant writing training, on-demand grant writing courses, so much. Even things like federal grant reviewing, nonprofit advising, and so much more. We have people in a student in the mentorship who just helps nonprofits open up. Like, there are so many different lanes within this niche that you can even niche down further, and you will not run out of shortage of nonprofits to support. And by having some of these clients, by having retainers, by having time in your schedule, you are going to have something that many nonprofit professionals struggle with, and that is financial stability. If you've ever thought about becoming a grant writer or turning your skills into a freelance business, then you are in the right place. On this channel, I talk about how to become a grant writer, how to get nonprofit clients, how to price, how to sell your services, and even just the nuanced things of how to find grants and how to write them and how to grow your grant writing skills and your business skills. So make sure you subscribe to our content. Make sure you grab into our channel, because we are going to help you grow as a freelance grant writer and as a grant professional, and to have that stability, to have that financial stability, to have the time in your schedule that you can have. Because the more that you're able to do that, you're going to grow your capacity and grow your regulations so you can actually serve more clients and help with bigger impact. I'm Holly Rustic. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.